Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel, King Alexander. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up. If you liked it, give it a thumbs down. And don't forget to comment down below. So today I'm sitting in my car. I'm getting ready to head out to the stores or some local convenience stores like Dollar Tree and Walmart to look around and see what they've got for fall in regards to their home decorations and some DIY projects that I've seen that I wanted to share with you all today. So if you're interested, come on along and join me while I go on a shopping trip. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel, King Alexander. So today we're heading into the Dollar Tree store. Here you can see, just to take a look to see what kind of fall items they might have for Halloween or just for the fall in general. So come on and shop with me. So here inside the store I see that they have some fall section right here. This is the first section that I've made it to in their store. They have got some scarecrows you can see at the top here, some decorative owl decor here. What's this? Doesn't have a price tag on it, but here's they call it tinsel or pipe cleaners is what they used to call them. You can get the gold, the purple, and the black has some type of decoration. The house, here's some more scarecrows. I actually like these ones. You could put these, I guess, outside. None of them have prices on them, so I'm assuming they're all $1. Here's some stickers that you could put on the windows. Or I saw a do-it-yourself video where you could put these on a glass, like centerpieces. Some hot cocoa there with some cinnamon rolls, some squash. It says hello in autumn. Happy harvest, some more squashes and corn. Let's take a look. Some placemats here. The placemats, some flowers. What's this? So looks like this is a wreath, the beginning of a witch's hat. For the wreath, you can see the outline. Down here they have another one for pumpkin. It's a wreath. You could put that pipe cleaner that we were just looking at on there, or maybe these leaves if you're into the crafts. What's this? Some decorative decor, just some leather. I guess you could put that on there as well. Kind of like that. Got a lot of little things here. Little neat stuff. Here's something. So across from the crafts, they have this section of some fall or Halloween decorations. This haunted doorbells. Let's see what it has. Try here. Let's see. This one doesn't want to work. Let's try to turn it on. I can't get any of those to work, but here's some more of those trees as they're supposed to light up. Some more in the back here. Some skeleton dogs at $5. There's an owl. If you're into that, this is kind of cute. Let's see, I guess everything over here is $5. That's not bad though. You have to excuse my camera work. I do like these little cats down here. They come in the orange, the purple, and the black. Whoops. I got some pirates here. I guess they're ghost pirates, and there's a witch back there. Here's some more of those do-it-yourself stickers that I was telling you about that you can put on like your glass tumblers or something like that, or a centerpiece. It says Hello Autumn. There's one for pumpkin spice and everything nice. Here's another one that says grateful and thankful. These are nice. You could put these on like your vases or just your little cups if you want to do that for like a get-together. Let's see. They have these. I guess these could count too. They're stickers as like an autumn kind of theme. So I moved over here to the candy section just to see what they had out, if they had anything that was kind of fall or Halloween themed candy, like some candy corn or mix. But I did see these. Do you remember years ago Lifesavers used to have these strawberry creams? I don't think they make them anymore, but these are probably good. Here's some, but I haven't seen these. They're vanilla where there's creams. Are they vanilla? They're just vanilla. They got vanilla on the inside. Those aren't really themed for fall, but you see they got plenty of candy. They got some butterscotch down here. If you're into butterscotch, you could put candy dishes like for Halloween candy, or just in your house as decorations. You got some lollipops, and of course everything's $1. So who doesn't like the charm pops, where you get the sort of variety. Some ring pops down here at the bottom. Ring pop sours. You could put that in your candy bowl. Get some more lollipops by Charms. Mini pops. Candy bowl for the kids. Let's see what else they've got. I don't know, if you want to spend a little extra money, you can just hand out cotton candy. Rainbow sherbet cotton candy. Just give out cotton candy. Set out the whole bag. This is pretty bad. This is full. Cotton candy. All these candies, Tootsie Pops. You can hand out the Dum Dum lollipops. This has got how many in there? I don't see how many is in there, but there's quite a few. They've also got these airheads. You can open these up. They're already individually wrapped. See? Hand them out for candy Halloween. And then there's some more candy right there.